At JR Automation, we are fueled by possible. As an elite team of innovators, we design, build, and integrate the world's most advanced automation technologies. We tackle the challenges that feel unsolvable, navigate unknowns to create the unimaginable. Because with a global caliber team, over 20 facilities worldwide, 2 million square feet of build space, and our globally recognized process management system, we bring the best in automation anywhere. As a Hitachi Group Company, we believe in transforming businesses for the better. That means we prioritize ingenuity, efficiency, and sustainability. It means we go beyond just automating your systems to transforming your business with digital integration at every level of production, allowing for data-driven manufacturing to better optimize performance and move your company forward. From high-speed precision assembly to material joining, vision systems to packaging and palletizing, we share original thinking and market best practices to reimagine production and improve design. As we innovate across industries, we advance automation across continents. With a company structured around you, our team works alongside your team, creating your ideal solution right now, while also scaling that solution to lead you into the future. From concepting to build, integration to maintenance, we'll be there for you every step of the way, co-creating your ideal pathway to growth. With JR Automation, we get the job done together, because here, possible is always within reach. So, let's make something new.